English lo explain cheyandi. Right.
Hi everyone. I think yesterday we have discussed the topic cash discount, vendor cash discount, right? So yesterday when you are closing the invoice, so before closing the invoice, we are calculating the after discount, what is the amount, right? Yesterday we have done that. So but actually we need not to calculate manually. So we directly we can enter some amount and we can give the number actual amount later. Okay. So first, and one more thing also. Yesterday we have that payment term 0002 we have assigned under vendor level, right? So actually see, you can go to the FS00. See here, these are all GLs. Sorry, stage 01 is vendor creation. Okay. So generally, so we are creating a vendor here, and after creating this, we are giving the payment term here 002. Okay, but so actually see here, I have already created a few vendors, FBL1N, FBL1N. So you can open the vendors list. See here, yesterday we have created a TCS Tech is under 002 term. So now already I have created Akbar Meat Services and Tom Beverages. Okay, but these are all created under 001. Okay, but now one of the invoices came under Akbar Meat Services. Okay, but that invoice is coming under discount. Okay, so straight away we can assign 002 for that invoice. Okay, if you are not applying the under vendor level also, you can apply into the invoice level. Okay, now I'm going to create a one invoice here. So what is a T code for invoice creation? FB60. Okay, enter it, vendor invoice. Now I'm going to create a invoice for cash discount. Here, Akbar Meat Services. Invoice date is today's date. Okay, amount will be, example, I'm giving odd number 56,000 or 56,500 something. Okay, now I can give the vendor invoice. So what is the debit here? Definitely that should be a raw material. Okay, so we are purchasing some raw material. So here amount will be 56,500. Okay, next enter. See here, you can go to the payment. See here, payment term. So this vendor is created under 0001. Okay, so now we can directly assign to the any payment term 0002, 0003. See whichever you want a discount. Here actually I have created my company own payment term. You can see here. You can search Taj. See Taj V1. So as per my payment term, if you are paying within 7 days 5% cash discount, within 14 days 3%, within 30 days due rate. Okay, this is mine. So I'm selecting my payment term. Okay, just enter. See here, you can able to see here one warning came, that is terms of payment is changed. Just it is giving the warning, but it's not error actually. Okay, Again, just here, date, give the date. Okay. So here they're saying that before due date is not we have given, right? So now this is 30 days, right? Now 30 days is the grace period now. So actual due date is 9th May 2022. Okay. So now we can simulate. Now we are going to say Akbar Meat Services raw material 56,500. So we have created an invoice here. Save it. Okay. Now you can go and check in the BL1N vendor, open items, execute. See here. Okay. You guys know that this invoice is under cash discount. How can you see here? The due date is also here, the symbol. I think this is already explained by the sir. So this is a symbol. This is a due date is not yet completed. So 30 days. We have applied a separate payment term for this. Okay. Now I'm going to clear this payment. Okay. So today only I'm going to clear this payment. So definitely we will get the some discount. Okay. So definitely we need not to pay 56,500. So we will get the some discount. So we will pay lesser than this amount. Okay. Now what is the T code for payment? F dash. Anyone? Please. Guys. F dash 53. So post outgoing payments here. So here you can give the document date. Okay. Clearing. So vendor clearing. Okay. Now see here bank data. So now I'm selecting the bank account. HDFC Bank. Here actually amount under 56,500. So definitely there is some cash discount. Okay. So we need not to give after calculation. Here manual calculation is not required. Okay. And here example, if you don't know what is the discount also, how much it is, 5% or 3%, because of this is if you are paying in within 7 days, that is 5% or something we have given there, right? So we don't know, like no, maybe we are paying at 11th day, but we are not checking that what is a discount. So we don't know that actual how many days, how much is the discount, what amount you are supposed to pay. Okay, you can give if you want to give 56,500, not a problem. If you want to give any number other than 0, okay, 1 or 2 or anything. So I'm giving here 1. So that means I'm paying 1 rupee. Okay, value date. So need not to calculate here. Select that particular vendor. Let's go. Yes, Akbar Meat Services. Okay, then process open items. Click on the process open items. See here. Okay, not assigned is definitely it will not match it because we have assigned only 1 rupee, right? So actually you can see here within 7 days the discount should be some 5% here, 5% actually. Okay, so how much is the cash discount we supposed to get for 56,500? It is 2,825. Okay, we're supposed to get. So if you want to give the actual amount in the previous screen, so you have to calculate manually. Here not required. So what you have to do here, you can click on here 1 rupee. See after discount how much is supposed to be assigned 53,675. If you calculate 56,500 minus 2,825, it will come 53,675 only. It will come. Okay, so we supposed to give the amount. Actual amount is 53,675 only. Okay, so now here click on here, go to the go to document overview. Okay, here see 1 rupee is there now. So how much it is 53? Just a minute. Oh, how much it is? 53. Anybody is remembered? I didn't remember actually. 53, 625. Guys,
625.
625.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Text. Can we give and are clearing? Thank you. Okay. Go to the document. Simulate. Act determination not defined for transaction JDA. Yeah. Just a minute. If it go, it is saved or not, I'm not sure. Go to check the vendors line item. Here we can able to see. I think still it is not assigned. Okay. Maybe it is not saved. Once again, we will try. Okay, go to bank. Hold on. Minute guys. Akbar Made Services. Enter 53,675. Go to the document overview. Click here. 3,625, right?
$53,675. 75.
Bhaskar sir, 75.
75.
$75. Okay, now net assigned is 0. Okay, now we can save it. See, now it is saved. Okay, now we can go and check BL1N, which is vendor line item data. Open items, execute. See, it is 0 now. Go to the clear item. See here, this is Akbar Made Services. So 56,500, 56,500. So this is how we have to do that. Okay, so we need not to calculate manually. Okay, straight away we can go and enter as per the calculation, which is done by the system itself. Thank you, everyone.